Good morning everyone, it's Monday and it's week 1 of the Caddy Diaries. Now this is all about going to show you around how we prep for events, what happens on tour events on the Challenge Tour and in this case main tour in Portugal. As you can see, the weather is absolutely fantastic this morning. I'm going to head down to the golf course, show you around as much as I can guys, so absolutely enjoy the ride.
Can't see him, I said little flopper again.
That one,
Yeah, it's almost like it's normal, alright? Because then if you got a flag front, left, right, it's like green light, like we said. So ninth hole, short drivable one, downwind. One at the left. There's one by the green.
So we just got back from the golf course. We played the front 9 this afternoon. Done some prep, done some range work, some putting, some chipping. It's about 5 PM, just about to go and hit the gym. God, I think I've actually caught the sun from my watch mark. Day 1. So, the end of a really good day. We've played the front 9, we've done some prep on the range, prep on the putting green, and also prep on chipping. We've done a really good gym session, so we're feeling great heading into tomorrow. Tomorrow, walking the back 9, just about to go out and get some food. Good night, guys. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all good. It's Tuesday morning on the first week of the Caddy Diaries. Now, we haven't got up super early this morning because it was a long day yesterday. We're up early, went down the golf course and we've been to the gym. So, this morning, it's about 8:30. Weather is absolutely amazing again. Blue sky. So the plan is today, a bit of a chill morning. We're going to head to the beach, a bit of a walk, maybe have a coffee, then head down to the golf course, do some more prep, and play that back 9. Show you all around.
This one here. Flip it over from the back.
So guys, hope you enjoyed that little clip inside the Srixon tour van. Me and do some amazing work in here, look after all the Srixon players, spec all the clubs each week, get them ready to prep and make sure they're in the best physical state in order to get on that golf course and play the best golf. I mean, credit to what these guys do. Spec all the clubs, literally get them down to a T of how the player wants it, whether they want them spinning a bit more with the driver, spinning a bit less, and especially with the wedges, which is so key out here. some really good work. Well, just got back after a long day. Really good day down the golf course. Play the back nine now, as I said. Sorry I didn't show you much. It's really difficult, really windy, and there's a bit of showers today actually. By the way, sorry, I've not actually said how are you all today. Hope you're all really good. So this evening we're gonna have a bit of a chill walk down the beach. We're gonna try and hit a few balls on the beach, and I'll show you what it's like. Hopefully hit some good shots. Just arrived down at the beach. Pretty long walk actually. Looking so nice. Here's a test of your ball striking, Seamus.
That wide.
Absolute shocker. I'll find the firmer sand. My hair's a bit wild on the beach.
There we go, it'll be firmer down.
Yeah, we'll go down there, it's a bit firmer. So I just thought tonight we'd come down the beach, bit of fun, hit a few shots after a long day. Good just to get away. This beach is absolutely massive.
A few drivers, isn't it?
Could have played around it. Take one down the beach. This beach is massive. So what are we doing? We're going to go closest to that ball. Can you see it?
I'll go put your shoes there.
Okay. Competition player versus caddy this evening. The Beach Olympics. Said the Beach Olympics. Forget. Wait a minute, don't go too far, it's into wind. So if you can see Tom there, we're here, we're going to be closest to the pin. Little challenge over here this evening on the beach in Lagos, bit of fun. Pretty good effort, to be fair. So we'll do 3 or 4 balls each, closest to the pin. Well, we'll have to judge it because they're all the same, but fun. I'm definitely going to duff the first few. How's going to do that? Halfway?
Good halfway.
Oh.
Go on, I don't know.
That wind's not great, you know. I'll just take less sand.
Oh no. There's less sand.
There's less sand anyway. One more go. I'm going to peg it up as high as I can. I'll try to get it. Cheating this. Cheating. So that's how it's done. Don't copy me. I'm about there and Tom's there. We're like 10 yards further on. I'm being kind. Go on, finish him. That's stumping. Got him. Right, I think we can determine that you're the winner. Mate, I have one more there. Just gonna walk put my ball because it's absolutely freezing. I might regret this. It's actually not that bad. Right, so we can determine that I shouldn't hit off the sand. Well, not after carrying the bag all day. Lack of mobility. Good evening everyone, it's 9:20, so it's Wednesday, we're all prepped. We've done all our prep, we've gone played 18 holes, we've played front 9, played the back 9, we've done our prep on the putting green, chipping green, and we're feeling pretty good on the range. So tomorrow morning we're off at 9:20, so we'll probably get up at 7:30, get to the course for 8:05. Tom can do his stretch. Warm-up takes about an hour, so spend some time on the putting green, chipping green, then finish finally on the range. Head straight off the 10th tee tomorrow, so off 10th tee on Thursday, first tee on Friday. And the forecast actually is a bit dodgy over the next few days, so there'll be plenty of towels in the bag. Waterproofs will definitely be on for me and will be in the bag for Tom. Already prepped. Guys, hope you really enjoyed this week's version of the Caddy Diaries, and this is the first one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, turn that notification thing on so you don't miss any of the up-and-coming Caddy Diaries. We've got Spain, Czech and Switzerland coming up. So guys, really hope you enjoyed this. See you next week on the Caddy Diaries and Alex Elliott Golf.